Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Gaming Flow, and in this tutorial you are going to learn how to fix MSBCP 140.dll is missing. So here at the screen you can see the error is showing up as MSBCP 140.dll is not found, and this DLL is needed by most of the program to start their application, or some of the games also need this DLL file to start up. And so to solve this problem, you just need to download that file and paste it in the right directory or in system folder. So let's begin by opening Chrome to download this file, and from here go to primetechyt.com. Click on software category, and in this category you can find MSBCP 140.dll download link. So go through the link. Now from the download page, scroll down and you will find the version of the DLL file. Basically both file includes both 32 and 64-bit files, so you can download it from any link. The download file is of few hundred KB, so it takes no time to download. After download is completed, extract the file. Choose your file according to your operating system. You can choose either 32-bit file or 64-bit file, and then copy the file. Now go to this PC and in C drive or system drive. From there go to Windows folder, and in Windows folder you can find System32 folder. Open it, and inside System32 folder paste the DLL file. Now after completing this step, you can run any program or games that require MSBCP 140.dll file. Hope you guys got the point. If this solves your problem, then hit the like button, and if you have any difficulties, then comment below. Also please don't forget to share and subscribe the channel for more interesting tutorial.